Replacing the battery in your 2014-2021 Jeep Cherokee key fob is a simple DIY task using a standard CR2032 3-volt lithium battery. First, locate the small notch on the key fob's edge. Insert a flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool into the notch and gently pry the two halves apart, applying even pressure to avoid cracking the plastic. Remove the old battery, noting which side faces up as the positive side. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Finally, snap the two halves back together firmly. Ensure you're working in a clean, dry environment to avoid damaging the key fob's internal components. This straightforward process should restore your key fob's functionality. Now we'll address troubleshooting common issues and how to prevent them. Sometimes the key fob case is difficult to open. If you encounter this, apply gentle heat with a hair dryer on low for 10 to 20 seconds to soften any adhesive. Avoid excessive force. If your remote still doesn't work after replacing the battery, try reprogramming it by cycling the vehicle's ignition and pressing the lock button. Persistent issues might indicate a faulty circuit board, requiring professional repair. To extend the life of your key fob, avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures or moisture. If the fob gets wet, dry it thoroughly before use to prevent short circuits. Battery corrosion is also a common problem, especially in humid climates. Regularly check your key fob and replace the battery if you notice any issues, ensuring you purchase quality batteries to avoid leaks.